This message is broadcasted by the request of the Southern Inyo County Fire Department, in conjunction with the Mesade County Fire Department. Wildfires have broken out in Inyo County, Mesade County, Riverside County, San Benito County, Tehama County, and Glenn County. Mandatory evacuation procedures are in action for these counties listed. If you live in one of these counties, follow the instructions on www.wildfireevacuationprocedure.com. If your loved one goes missing, do not look for them. Follow mandatory evacuation procedures.
Hello from Fox 29 News. Today we have recent reports of wildfire spreading across several counties in California. The complete story is not yet told, but it is rumored a faulty power line caused the wildfire. We have pictures of the fire in Inyo County called the Pleasant Fire. Here is a wide view picture of the Pleasant Fire somewhere in South Inyo County. Other fires in other counties, such as the Airline Fire in San Benito County, the Apple Fire in Tehama County, and the Chrome Fire in Glenn County. These fires combined have burned over 4,000.
Emergency action notification message, requested by the Nevada State Fire Depot. Wildfire has been suspected in the following counties: Humboldt County and Elko County. A wildfire broke out north of Paradise Valley at approximately 12:25 am and has burned over 100,000 acres as of right now. Evacuations have taken place in Elko County. Follow evacuation procedures.
Emergency action notification, requested by the Arizona Department of Forestry and Fire Management in conjunction with the Idaho State Fire Marshal. Wildfires have broken out in Arizona and Idaho. In Idaho, the following counties are receiving fire: Elmore County, Owyhee County, Ada County, Canyon County, Boise County, Valley County, Washington County, Payette County, south of Blaine County, and west of Custer County. In Arizona, the affected counties are as follows: La Paz County, Maricopa County, Mojave County, Coconino County, Navajo County, Yavapai County, and Yuma County. All EAS recipients are to follow evacuation orders by your local police or fire department. Highway 23 and Highway 55 are blocked. Don't go on those roads.
Emergency alert system message requested by Presidio Volunteer Fire Department in conjunction with Fort Davis Volunteer Fire Department. A wildfire broke out in East Fort Davis County and Presidio County. Evacuations are in order for the following counties: Fort Davis County, Presidio County, Brewster County, Hobsbawd County, Terrell County, Pecos County, Reeves County, El Paso County, and Culberson County. The fire has burned over 300,000 acres as of 5:34 p.m. The Davis Mountain State Park has been closed indefinitely until the fire has been contaminated. Texas State Highway 118 has been closed due to the fire. Emergency Alert System Notification, requested by the United States government. Wildfires have been destroying the entire west of the United States. The affected states are Washington, Oregon, California, Idaho, Nevada, Arizona, Utah, Montana, New Mexico, Wyoming, Texas, and Colorado. If you currently live in the states mentioned, follow evacuation procedures posted by your local police or fire department. The United States government requests following directions from your local police or fire department. Evacuate.
Emergency Alert System, requested by the Cameron Parish Fire Department in conjunction with the Lake Charles Fire Department. A suspected arsonist lit a building on fire yesterday at 5:40 am. The affected counties are as follows: Cameron Parish County, Calcasieu Parish County, Jefferson Davis Parish County, Acadia Parish County, St. Landry Parish County, West Feliciana Parish County, Avoyelles Parish County, Point Coupee Parish County, and East Feliciana Parish County. Fire departments from the Baton Rouge metropolitan area are assisting with the fire. Highways I-12, I-10, 32, 33, 59, 64, and 78 are closed indefinitely until the fire is contaminated. Follow evacuation procedures from your local police or fire department. Stay safe and stay on the lookout. United States government release an immediate evacuation of all 50 states. Emergency Alert System. Wildfire has spread to all 50 of the states. Evacuate. Be aware of travel urgencies and other precautions. Evacuate to Mexico or Canada. The United States government has fallen. Repeat, the United States government has fallen. Evacuate.